Some of you might have seen the first part of this project. It is a custom soap order with a brand stamp on it and a special essential oil blend for a men's soap. If you want to see the making of it, I will leave the link down in the description for you to check out. Now comes the packaging part of the soap. Today I got in an Amazon parcel that I ordered for the packaging of this soap specifically. I'm very excited about it because it's a great way to present the soaps. These are 2 twine bags. They not only can hold your soap or more soaps, especially when almost used up, but you can also use it as a sponge and it provides great exfoliation at the same time. It's really a great eco-friendly option and it really looks cool, don't you think? I did a little experiment myself not too long ago and tried out some crochet to create a soap bag made of jute twine too. This one here is a little bigger in size and has a loop so you can hang it out to dry. I will have a video showing how to make it. Like I said, I never crocheted before and you can learn it in a couple of minutes. But for today we will focus on the packaging side of it. I want to create a special label to complete this look here. Some time ago I purchased this tool, which is a tag maker or a tag punch. It has 3 different label sizes and each one punches out a different design, so to speak. For the size of the soap bag here, I will opt for the smallest possibility as it would otherwise look too big. I also need to work out the length of the label, so I just quickly measure it out on normal paper and then give it a punch. Note how the paper is not really great for this punch here, but this is just a test. I will use thicker paper for the real labels afterwards and then the punch will really be crisp. I will go with 8 centimeters in length. As I don't have any design experience, I love to use Canva for practically everything I make because it is super easy to use. Here I choose an A4 document and then I create a mask with the measurements that I need. I'm not going in depth on how to use Canva, but I will leave some links to other videos I made if you want to know more about it. Also, I want to add a kind of a distressed or vintage look to the paper. And by typing in the search term old paper, I get this background and I will add it to the mask. Canva is free to use, but with a paid subscription you get access to all the media library and all features, like for example the background remover. Now I choose a custom design fitting to my label size, meaning 8 centimeters in length and the width that I determined before. I want to add all ingredients of the soap as well as the logo of the barbershop. Then a heading showing that it is a handmade soap. Now I can group all the elements within the program so I can copy and paste it into the mask. Notice how the white background shows behind the logo. With the Canva Pro subscription you can remove backgrounds with just one click and this is amazing. Canva also has a free version and it's great, but the Pro subscription just gives you unlimited access to all medias and features. After having placed every design in its place, I can just download it and print it. Just making sure that I slide it all the way to the back and then I give it a punch. I really like it. The challenge will be to repeat this for 100 bags and labels. Back to the workshop. Here is how the soaps turned out after 4 weeks of curing time. I prepared most of the bags already, so now I just need to finish the last 10. Then I'm going to add these soaps inside the bags. I think this is a great presentation of the soap. This is a heavy and great smelling package that will travel to another state. If you're interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Also, feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!